I hope you guys are ready for the hot mess that is going to be this video. Hey guys, it's Miss Benilda here, and there might be a lot of distractions in this video because the only place I can film is in the playroom, and my daughter's probably gonna be running in and around, like in and out of here. Also, I have the bassinet right next to me. So yeah, mom life. If you like my shirt, I got it from One Messy Bun. I will put all the info down below. Carrying on. So today I'm doing something totally different. I am doing a wig haul. Yes, I said wig. Why? Okay, I have contemplated chopping off all my hair. I'm so sick of my hair. I've also contemplated not cutting it off. I don't know, it's complicated. So I decided to try ordering a wig online to see if maybe, like, is this something I want to do? Do I really want to cut off all my hair? I don't know. I got my wigs in the mail from Amazon, and we're gonna try them on. First of all, I'm supposed to have 3 wigs to try on for you guys. I ordered a wig from lightinthebox.com, and that shit's not even here yet. That is not even here. And then I ordered these afterwards, and they came like 3 days later. So the other one is just out there somewhere. So whenever I get that, I guess I'll try and add on to this video if it comes this week. But if it doesn't come this week, then screw it. I guess let's just get started. So yeah. Oh, and let me tell you how much it cost. This one only cost, this one was $17. So they sent me a wig cap and something to hold up the wig, I guess, instead of like a mannequin head. Anyway, sorry if you hear noise in the background. I put him on his little play mat, so now he's playing with his toys, the baby. I'm excited! I don't know anything about wigs, so if I'm doing anything wrong in this video, just let me know in the comments, because I don't know shit about wigs. I don't know how to wear a wig cap. Let's take this off. So, what do I do with this? Is it like this? Help! Like this? Oh God. Am I doing this right? I think this is correct. Alright. This is what she looks like. I'm gonna have to brush it. It feels nice. There's already some shedding on here. This is what the inside looks like. And then there's no clips, but they have like a thing. Ah! Oh God, I don't know what I'm doing. Am I doing this right? So, what do you think? Work? This could work. I kind of like it. What do you guys think? This is a really nice wig. I liked it. I thought it looked pretty cool once I started to get used to how I looked with it on. The only thing is that it sheds a lot, but I guess that's what happens when you get a synthetic wig. Alright. Name, Enal Core. Oh, they gave me another wig cap. Oh, and this one tells you how to use it. The other one didn't even tell me how to use it. Oh, look how beautiful it is. Wow. The price of this wig was 40 bucks. $39 was this wig. So, oh, and this is a lace front. So I guess we have to cut it.
What do you do to my TV?
Nothing. It's just on mute.
Fix my TV now, Mommy.
Girl, where's the front of this? Oh, okay. This doesn't look too bad. Do that. Ooh. I don't know what to do with this part. I don't know what to do down over here. What do I do here? Oh well. Tuck it. Tuck it. I don't know. I don't know. I kind of like it. Do you like it? Do you like it? Oh, you guys gotta see him. Do you like it? Yay! So this is what this one looks like. Has a lace front, long, pink, like a dusty pink. What do you think? Bitch, yes. Hold up. I think I like it. What do you think? What do we think? What do we think? You sound like you are pooping. I mean, I think it's not bad. I like it. I think I like it. I don't know. You guys gotta let me know in the comments what you think, because I can't tell, because I'm so used to how I usually look that I just can't. I can't see it. Maybe if I wear it around the house a little bit long. All right, so after playing with it a little bit, I still have to figure out the lace front. I just have to figure all this out. But I tried to brush it out a little bit, tried to part it how I usually part it. I just gotta figure stuff out. Google is my friend. I'm gonna have to Google and see what these professional beauty tubers are doing with their wigs so I can learn something. But yeah, hopefully the other wig comes this week so I can include that in this video. Guess what decided to finally show up today? A day later after I filmed this. Sorry for the noise. I have the baby in the bassinet right next to me, the TV on, and my daughter playing with her My Little Pony toys over there, making noise. So this came from Light in the Box, but so this came from lightinthebox.com and it took forever to get here. I don't know why I didn't just go on Amazon to begin with. This is the first wig that I bought that took forever, and the exact same wig is on Amazon, and I'll link it below. So you don't have to go to lightinthebox.com to get it. But let's see. I think it was like 12 bucks this wig. You know, they couldn't even send me a wig cap. Alright, I got my own wig cap. Oh, and this is another shirt from onemessybun.com. I'll put the links below. I'm not a rapper, I just cuss a lot. This is what it looks like. You better be a good wig for as long as it took you to get here. Oh boy. Oh boy. So this is the wig. This is what it looks like. It's not too bad. I just gotta figure out how to make it look more natural. Like, cause this part I feel looks wiggy, you know? So I don't know. I like the color. So if I do cut my hair short, I think I'm gonna do color like this kind of color, right? I don't know. But you guys tell me which ones you guys like better. All distractions. Oh my god. You guys go ahead and tell me which ones you guys like better. I'm gonna just end this vlog right here. My wig finally came. I'll post the links below.
And this Toy Sparkle from the Wind Up Pony movie.
Okay, anyway, I'm just gonna stop the vlog right here. He's getting fussy, she's being crazy, and yeah, so be sure to follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Miss Benilda. I will talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching. Oh, if you have any wig tips for me, leave them down below because I don't know shit about wigs. I can use all the help I can get. So yeah, thanks for watching. Talk to you guys later. Bye.
Bye.